Hello, today we talk about the development of the new product, especially for the new products that need to make a mold. Why some sourcing agent will refuse order of the new product with the mold making? This is because sometimes these customers are newbie. They have no idea the selling market of this new product. And the most important is that the mold fee is very expensive, and also the MOQ is very high. So some customers, they have a very small MOQ at the beginning. So that is why many manufacturers will refuse this order. The whole time of the mold development and the order will take a long time, and the sourcing agent, they need to get profit from the commission. If the production time is long, this means they will get their commission in a very long time. Thus, they do not have profit to support them. The time to make the mold is very long, and it is complicated to explain the most detailed information with the manufacturer. And also, the new mold development will require some high professional expertise. So if the sourcing agent is not familiar with this product and they have limited knowledge on this product, it will be very difficult for them to process these mold development orders. So if finally you still want to make a new mold, there is a very important tip for you. If you are going to pay the mold fee to the sourcing agent or the manufacturer, you can get a contract first, and we can state clearly the owner of the mold. Thus, after the mold is finished, if you feel this factory cannot produce your product, or their price cannot meet your target price, then you can take this mold and find a new manufacturer to produce for you. But finally, if you are going to place the order to our manufacturer, sometimes some customer may want to contact with our manufacturer directly. Actually, normally we do not disclose our manufacturer's contact information with our customer. This is mainly because that our manufacturer, they only do the domestic transaction. They do not have foreign trade business, and they do not understand English. So they prefer a middleman like our sourcing company to place the foreign customers' orders with them. Another thing for our order process is that we can conduct a pre-shipment inspection before the order is shipped out from the factory. Sometimes when our customer order like a whole container, because the volume is very high and large, thus it is cost effective for our customers forwarder to go to the manufacturer's factory to pick up the goods directly. Thus, when the goods is ready for shipping, we will go to the factory, we will check the products, we do some random quality check, and if the product is no problem, we can inform our customer to proceed with the international shipping.